giant fish. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a big one. Need to... Again, the fish are really good. Come on. Trevally again. It's so noisy. Another trevally. Hooray! Look at that. Wow, swallowed. There's a big fish. Look. He swallowed the whole blind. Hooray! Look at that. Shark cast. No escape. Trevally! My second fish for tonight, Trevally! Hooray! Again, this is my favorite spots here. Fish everywhere. Oh, Jesus! It's a big one too. Oh, seriously? This is different. Big one. Oh, look at the trevally. Look at the size of that. I don't think so I can wind it up. Hooray. Please. I told you. Fish. Straight away. Oh, this gotta be heavy. Oh, come on. Oh my Jesus. Oh my God, it's pretty hard. Oh, it's so big. Oh no, it could be break the line. So heavy. It's so big, it's so heavy. Ow! Oh, it's so heavy. Wait. Oh my God. This is really big. Oh, it break the thing. Oh! I can't just wind it up. It's too big. I hope I won't think the line. Oh no, it's really big, massive one. Oh my goodness, there is it there. Oh. It's a big flathead. Wow, it's so big. First cast for tonight, a big flathead here at the bridge. Oh my goodness, look. Hooray! Good morning! I'm cleaning up the fish that I caught last night. Woohoo! Look at this trevally, massive, and this flathead. Oh, look at the size of that! It's like 55 centimeters. Hooray! All right, guys, I gotta clean this up all. It's not finished anyway. The scaler is not really working that good. Oh wow, a really sharp knife. Woohoo! Really sharp. That's the secret for cleaning up the fish. And cleaning up the fish. Alright. And then later, I gotta feed the pelicans. And then I have to fillet the flurry. Oh, all right. The pelicans are all hungry. Oh, now this one here, I have to fillet this. This is my favorite fish, most pearls. Woohoo! Pretty fish. A pretty one. Now, this time, wow, it was really sharp. Oh, that new sharpener was really working good. For the price, $30. Good one. At least the knives are all sharp and they're all staying sharp. Pretty good. Who is hungry? The pelicans are hungry. So do I. We gotta have lunch for this afternoon, and I gotta cook some of this trevally soup with sweet potato tops. Hooray! There you go. Last one. All right, guys, this one I gotta have to fillet this flurry. Hooray! See how, if I can get this right. I hope this knife will really work, because my professor, he's a left-handed and I'm a right-handed. So yeah, hopefully this will work, or else I gotta put you in. There you go. Right up to the bone. There you go. Oh, yep, it's working. There, nice one. And then I have to remove this bone at the rib cage. Boneless now. All right. Nice. And this one here. So this knife is like for left-handed and right-handed. sharp. There you go. Nice. Look. You can see through the bone. Thanks, boss. I have to use this other one. See if how good this is. Since they're pretty expensive knife. Oh wow. Oh. Really good. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Pretty good. Just remove all this bone in the rib cage and yep, ready to cook. This is my son's favorite fish, flatty. Oh, nice one. Wow. Well done. Oh wow. Just like pretty smooth. Ah. All right. All done. And remove the rib cage there, and it's all good. All. Now it's time I'm gonna feed these hungry pelicans. They've been waiting since last night. Alright. I have to chop this up so that how many are there? 2, 4, 6, 7 pelicans, and they can share all this. All right, they are hungry. Are you ready? Are you ready? All right. Some more. I got some more left here. I got some more left here. The poor seagulls. Where are they? All right then. That's other one is hungry. Oh no! Ah! All right. Thank you. Thank you.